Hello everyone, want to change the language in DeepSeek? I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. First, open the DeepSeek app. Make sure it's up to date for a smooth experience. Once you're inside, tap on the two horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen to open the menu. Next, tap on Profile at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can manage everything related to your account. Now, in your profile settings, scroll down a bit and look for the option that says App Language. Tap on it to continue. You'll now see a list of various language options that you can choose from. Once you find your preferred language, just tap on it. The app will update immediately and the language will change throughout the entire app. That's it. Your DeepSeek app is now in preferred language. Easy, right? If you ever want to switch languages again, you can always follow these same steps to change it back to your preferred one. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.